Hi YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have reached 100 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you to everyone who have just joined or recently joined. I deeply appreciate it. Getting to 100 subscribers was definitely a goal of mine, and I'm so thankful for you guys that helped me check that goal off. So thank you. If you're not already a subscriber, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button below and like this video. And let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you how I finish off my rugs. So this is going to be kind of like a two-part thing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do the waterfall method. An example is this rug. As you can see, like the edges are like rolled over, you know, and the back is like really flat. So when you look at it from the front, like, you know, it's like that nice like curved edge going on there. I did have a fail like the first time I tried this. So there is some like tips that I guess I learned as a beginner that I hope will benefit you. So it's going to be featuring this rug, which was a commission that I literally just finished. So let's get into the video.
So here I'm just taking off the embroidery hoop so I can cut around the perimeter of my rug and make it look all nice and clean. So I'm going to be cutting about 1 inch from the rug. Now that the rug is cut, I'm gonna cut slits probably about 1 inch apart if you want to give it a measurement, but you can kind of just eyeball this. These will help it like fold over easier when it's time to glue down the edges. So the first rug that I did the waterfall method to, I just hot glued the monk's cloth to the back of the rug. And what happened with that was that when the rug from the right side up, I could still kind of see some of that monk's cloth because it wasn't completely folded over and not just rug, if that makes sense. So when you're hot gluing your edges down, make sure that you bring the monk's cloth up just enough to where it's a little bit of that rug part that's also being folded over. And that just really helps when you apply that backing because it just helps it fit in that middle part so much easier. And just coming up, I'm going to have a closer up version of what I'm talking about. Here you can see that, like I was mentioning about folding over the edges just enough to where some of your rug is actually showing on the back and being folded over as well. So for this, I'm just using a metallic marker. The metallic markers I use on like the darker fabric because it just shows up easier for me. But you can use whatever, you know, that you feel comfortable with. Now using my super sticky bond spray adhesive that I bought from Home Depot, I'm gonna be applying like the backing as good as I can. And sometimes, you know, it doesn't fit like perfectly, so I try to like cut around the edges, trim the edges a little bit to make it really fit the back of the rug nicely. Now I'm just reinforcing those outside edges that may have not gotten stuck down really well with the spray adhesive with the hot glue gun. I would also like to take this moment to give a quick shout out to Cole, who shared his music with me, and that's who I'm actually playing in the background. So definitely follow him on Instagram for more lo-fi beats like this one.
So that's the end of my video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure that you make sure that you comment on this video below, and make sure that you subscribe as well. Also follow me on my social media, DaJaniere, and my personal social media, and also go visit my website, and all of those links are below. All the materials that I used are linked below. And if you want a cool rug, a commissioned rug, then definitely don't hesitate to reach out to me, and you can do that by visiting my website. So thanks so much for watching my video. I definitely hope you enjoyed it and was able to like walk away with some new information. The waterfall method is definitely my favorite method of the two. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the whip stitch method. But the waterfall method, like, look at that nice curved edge. Like, that's just so nice. But otherwise, thank you for watching my video so much. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. If you decide to make a rug, I'd love to see it. So make sure you DM me on my personal or business account with pictures of your rugs, and I would love to see them. So